Hey guys, got a 2022 plate Audi A3 here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, first you want to make sure your ignition's on, and then come to the centre of the screen in the centre of the dash, and then click on the actual time in the top left hand corner. It comes up with this menu, and then you click again. And then from here you can stick it on automatically if you want to do it for you, or you can do it manually. Click on the dates, change to whatever you need, and then press back to save it. And then come down to time, again change what you need, press back to save, and that's it.